Located at the westernmost tip of Indonesia and blessed with beautiful landscapes, hills, exotic beaches, and extraordinary underwater wealth, Sabang is a magnet for domestic and foreign tourists. It forms an archipelago with an area of 153 square kilometers and inhabited by more than 34,000 people. Sabang has 5 main islands, namely Weh, Kla, Rubiah, Selapo, and Rondo. The city, which was once famous for its free port and trade, now continues to spur its development through its tourism industry. 70% of its original local revenue comes from the tourism sector. Journey to Sabang can be reached from the port of Ulee Lheue Banda Aceh city, which is only 19 miles away. If we go by a fast boat, it takes us 45 minutes, whilst using a ferry takes up to 2.5 hours. Sabang readiness as a tourist destination can also be seen from the condition of road infrastructure. The 144-kilometer road divides the mountains and stretches along the edge of the ocean. And of these, 121 kilometers are in excellent condition. Statistical figures for tourists visiting Sabang continue to increase. In 2019, the number of domestic tourists reached 589,244 people, while foreign tourists were 31,450 people. The increasing number of tourists contributes to the growth of tourism supporting industries. Currently, Sabang has 145 accommodations. The occupancy rate reaches 10% each year. Each accommodation offers various facilities and experiences. Various tour packages are also ready to be offered by travel agents. With 111 culinary and 41 souvenir businesses, Sabang is getting stronger to pamper tourists. Sabang community is very open because of its multi-ethnic background. Of course, these various groups carry the tradition and culture of their home regions. However, it never disturbs the harmony in maintaining their customs. One of the traditions that is still firmly adhered to by the community and has been going on for generations is the Kanduri Laut. It is routinely carried out every year. Kanduri Laut is an expression of gratitude to the Creator for providing abundant sea products. The typical arts of people in Sabang aren't much different from several other areas in Aceh. One of them is Rapai, a traditional Achenese musical instrument that is beaten by hand. Rapai plays a role in setting the rhythm in a dance and song. The sound of Rapai plays an important role in making the atmosphere and the show even more lively and exciting. Moreover, there is a dance named Ratodu, which is often performed at traditional and tourism events. The dance is usually performed by 9 women as the dancers and 1 man as the sheikh. It is performed with high rhythm and great enthusiasm as a description of the interaction and harmony of the life of the Achenese people. Sabang community are also famous for their uniqueness, having a habit of taking a nap every day. In this island, the trading activities usually stop during the day and start again in the afternoon. The strategic location made Sabang an important fortress during the Japanese colonial era, Various forts were spread evenly on the island. One that is quite famous is Benteng Anoy Hitam. The number of forts here had become one of the historical tourism destination options. From many tourism attractions in Sabang, some of them are the main tourists' destinations. If we go to the west, we could see Zero Kilometer Monument, which is a symbol of Indonesia's unity from Sabang to Merauke. Each part of this monument has a national message that unites Indonesia as a country of diversity. Here, you could get a certificate to indicate that you have ever set foot in Indonesia's 0 kilometer. Not far from this place, there is Iboih Beach, which has calm, turquoise-colored water. The beach is one of the favorite locations for snorkeling activities. There are also several accommodation options that offer various facilities and different views. If you feel you've had enough of the atmosphere of the beach, you could enter the Iboih Tourism Forest, which has a variety of exotic species. With an area of about 1,300 hectares, you could meet the life of wild monkeys, various reptiles and colorful birds. In Rubiah, visitors who get bored with snorkeling activity could try to dive in one of the best spots in Sabang. The diversity of coral reefs and various types of fish will make tourists want to explore various diving spots in Rubiah Marine Park. Not only Iboih and Rubiah, Sabang also has Gapang Beach, which could be reached within 17 kilometers of the city center. The beach, sprinkled with soft white sand and beautifully combined with the clear sea, is an ideal location to enjoy the beauty of Sabang. Not only famous for its beaches, Sabang has a waterfall called Pria Laut that is hidden behind dense tropical forests, offering freshness in the middle of the beach air. The waterfall is only 12 kilometers from the city. With a height of about 15 meters, its water spills are not too heavy, so you can enjoy it while swimming. Moving out from the forest, you can visit the Sarang Cave. This cave is directly facing the Indian Ocean, which has a beautiful view in the thick of the forests and the blue ocean. Having 5 entrances, the Sarang Cave is a home for swallows and bats. Moving to the south, Sabang offers white sand beach in Kurnakai area. Along the coastline, you could enjoy walking and feel the beach atmosphere. Other than being known for its beautiful maritime tourism and amazing underwater panoramas, Sabang also offers adventure tours by visiting an active volcano in Jaboy village that is about 15 kilometers from the city center. Having a height of 200 meters above sea level, Jaboy volcano offers views of the crater and white rocks among the dead trees with various unique shapes. Shifting to the east, there is one of the famous tourist sites called Tsumortiga Beach. It is located in Ulee village that has different characteristics from Iboih and Gapang Beach. Here, the beach sand is whiter and smoother, even though the water is a little choppy. It is incomplete to visit Sabang if you don't visit one of the mosques. While moving towards the city, you could stop at the Babu Salam Mosque, which is one of the most beautiful mosques in Sabang. Before returning to the city, you could still visit another tourist destination called Anu Laut Lake. The lake could be enjoyed by swimming or paddling a canoe. And don't forget to spend the night in the city by enjoying a variety of Sabang's special culinary. While enjoying octopus satay and other special menus, you'll get an unforgettable travel experience. As a leading tourism destination in Aceh, Sabang still has several things that need to be improved. However, the immense tourism and cultural potential of Sabang, coupled with the hospitality and openness of its people to tourists, is a promising opportunity because the island at the westernmost tip of Indonesia is like a sparkling pearl in the middle of the ocean.